father of faith, which until now we are recognizing. And that is the greatest legacy of Abraham. He became the father of faith. Now Abraham actually came from a far place. But when God asked him to travel and go to the land that God promised for him and for his descendants, he obeyed it without any doubts in his mind. The same also with us today. Many of the members of the Church of Christ abandon the comforts of worldly pleasures. We abandon the teachings of our parents that are not in conformity with the teachings of God. We disobeyed our parents and embraced the true religion, the true faith that we believe, despite of the criticism maybe, despite of the discouragement that others are telling us. Why? Because that's what Abraham did also. We abandon the comfort of our homes, and then we take a kind of courage to embrace the faith that most are trying to evade. Ado kada tayo dagiti in sacrifice na iti kagayim na in sacrifice na iti kagaruba na masalag awalan na ni Kristo manunod. Ado kada tayo may sacrifice na dagiti pagragsakan iti may sa tao. Ado kada tayo nga tinagsakripisyo iti ambitions tayo ti Dios. Tapno lang awatan tayo ni Kristo. Kaya tayo di kakabsat nga inarami tayo katanya basta-basta tayo. Ambo, ado ti gumura kada tayo, hindi yung masudil tayo kini Kristo. Ado dagiti agsasao tiliklikudan tayo, hindi yung masudil tayo kini Kristo. Ngam, kaput-kaputno dahil pamati tayo, naadaan tayo iti turod, nga mangito dagito yung kanbanag mas kasama mga. Being the member